Good morning once again. Now we will discuss about couple. Children, what is the meaning of couple? A couple is a pair of forces in physics, equal in magnitude, oppositely directed and displaced by perpendicular distance or moment. Another meaning of couple is the product of either of the forces of a couple by the perpendicular distance between them. Example, turning a water tap, tightening the cup, tightening the cup, turning a lag, turning a steering wheel, etc. Children, a single force applied on a pivoted body alone does not cause rotation of the body. Actually, the rotation is always produced by the pair of force. In the above example, the rotation is due to the force externally applied and the force of reactions this produced at the pivoted point. The force of reaction at the pivoted is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction to the applied force. The moment of force of reaction about the pivoted is zero because its distance from the axis of rotation is zero. Because children, if anti-clockwise direction is plus 2 and clockwise direction minus 2, that is total force 2 Newton and 2 Newton, that is 0 Newton. Okay children, it has 0 Newton. The two equal and opposite parallel force not acting along the same line form a couple. A couple is always needed to produce a rotation. For example, when we open a door, the rotation of the door is produced by a couple consisting of two forces. Number one, the force which we exert at the handle of the door, and second, an equal and opposite force of reaction at the hinge. Okay children, this direction of anti-clockwise direction. Car wrench, another bicycle wrench. This is the example of couple. Figure number 1.110 is another example of turning a water tap. Second, tightening the cup, turning a key in lock, turning a steel wheel. It is the example of couple. Now we will discuss about the moment of couple. Moment means turning force or moment of force, that is product of force and perpendicular distance between them. Because we know that AB is the meter scale, F force is downward direction, F force is opposite direction. Children, moment of force F at the end of A, that is F into AO, right? Next, F into OB. Okay children, so total moment of force of couple is equal to F into OA, F plus F into OB. Here OA plus OB is equal to AB. Children, OA plus AB equal to AB. Listen once again, OA plus OB, that is AB. AB is equal to OA plus OB, that is F into AB, where AB is equal to small d distance, that is FD. Okay children, therefore moment of couple is equal to either force into perpendicular distance between the two forces or couple arm. Okay children, thank you.